Our institution continues to flourish under the visionary leadership and dedicated efforts of our esteemed chairman Padam Shri Dr. Jagjit Singh Darbi, who has been honored with his prestigious national award in recognition of his remarkable contribution to society and education. His unwavering commitment to excellence, innovation and holistic education has transformed our school into a Sevaratan, Dr. Jaswinder Kaur Darbi. This commitment, foresight and tireless efforts have played a remarkable role in shaping the school into the center of excellence. It's a matter of great pride and honor to extend a heartfelt welcome to our respected principal ma'am. Ma'am, your gracious presence always inspires us and motivates us to strive for the excellence.
Thank you for taking out your valuable time to join us today. Your support, encouragement and trust in the school means a great deal to us. Together we can guide our students towards the bright and successful future.
ऐसे समय में हमें हार नहीं माननी चाहिए। हमारे शिक्षक हमारे मार्गदर्शक हैं जो हमें सही शिक्षा दिशा दिखाते हैं।
Cultural programs and leadership activities. We also provide safe and secure environment in the school with CCTV surveillance and disciplined environment for well-being of students, classes and digital learning tools, which make learning more interesting and effective. We also focus on regular assessments.
Today I would like to speak a few words about importance of computers in our lives and vocational subjects. In this slide, various vocational subjects are shown, such as IT, Information Technology, Library and Information Science, Yoga, and so on.
After 10th, you mainly choose between medical and non-medical. If you are curious about the human body, passionate about helping people and interested in subject like biology, then the medical stream is for you. It opens doors to careers like doctor, dentist, pharmacist, nurse and biotechnology.
Humanities involve reading, writing and expressing ideas. This improves language and communication skills which are essential for success in any career.
For all students, it is not only a place to eat but also a space to relax and interact with friends during breaks.
To Harkishan Public School, on behalf of the school management, give hearty welcome to each one of you for your gracious presence, because with very short span of time, we have given this invitation and you people are attending this orientation program of Class Plus One. And we have the sustainable kitchen garden also where plantation is done. And the foremost thing that we have done this Chandrayaan project also in the school. So round of applause for that also, because we need to be keeping our students, and I expect if I am getting the students of medical and non-medical this time also, they will be taking up for the robotic car or robotic any other thing, so that will be very much addition to the school also and your caliber also. So that I can be definitely suggesting for the colleges also how my students have the caliber for it. The next we have the debate competition. I always suggest to my students they need to be communicative. One has to be having the good speaking skills, like somebody is to be communicating, somebody has to be conversing. Because once you have come from the secondary to senior secondary level, so because we have the branches in Patiala also and in Bahadurgarh and Press Road School also, and the students definitely they are getting the achievements. So first I would say that UPSC exam that has been cracked by one of the previous year students, that is Jayant, and he has got 64th rank. Can we give a round of applause for the bright students of the school? Another from this school itself, that girl, the name is Dilpreet Kaur. She has cracked the exam of BPSC. She has ranked second position for that. So round of applause for her also.